Okay, right now I'm at the, I don't know if you can see that point, but I'm right. Not where that is. Just above that mark. I'm right there. Okay, on this map. And this is a marker that the guy has. Right now it's June 7th, 2011. There's the water there. You can see that stripe there. So that's 1 foot. This bottom one here is 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, all the way up to 5 foot. So if this water from the river right here, would go up 5 foot, the only thing that's holding the water back from McCook Lake is that little levee or road, right there. And it looks like there's some low spots in there. I'm not sure. Might be something that we want to look at. See if somebody surveys it. That's interesting. Not way out here. I don't know if you can see that, but a big mosquito there. Okay. Riverland Estates is right in that direction right now. So, and of course, this is the Missouri River, and it's obviously very high, covered some trees, and it's obviously moving very, very fast. Now you can see that levee in the distance is almost underwater. The Nebraska side is quite wide. In fact, look, the river itself is very, very wide right now. Okay, here we are again on the south end of the old lake bed. This is the road right here, which is kind of the berm. I just talked to Hoffman. He says this is about 1101 right here. And if the water does come in, it's going to come right in that direction. My concern is that it looks like there's a dip right there. Might be lower than that. Driving south on Interstate 29, approaching Hamilton Boulevard. Passing Hamilton Boulevard and approaching Bev's on the river. Soccer fields on the right and passing Floyd Channel. Driving south on Interstate 29, approaching Hamilton Boulevard. On the right's the Missouri River. On the right you can see Hamilton Boulevard and of course the river, or you can't see Hamilton Boulevard. And that's Bev's on the river and the hotel. You can see the extensive diking. I should call that Bev's in the river instead of on the river. That's a little kiddie play area, and on the other side of the river is a YMCA. Real concerned about that. They poured a light form wall all the way around it, and apparently it's cement, so it might be there for a while. Yeah, well, this is actually Hamilton Boulevard. You can take your boat from Hamilton Boulevard out to the river. On the right is the Big Sioux River, and I think that's called the Boat Club. Those guys have had terrible luck being able to put boat docks out.